Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Gotcha. Woo-hoo. Fish on, guys. Woo-wee. Fish on, guys. Got another one. I don't know what the hell that was. Fish on, guys. Woo! Barra already. Fish on. Already, guys. Woo-hoo. Got him. Big up yourself, guys. Welcome to Jamaican Shore Fishing. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, guys, and definitely watch the ads. And like I said, this is not my normal fishing attire. A couple of casts in to see what we can pick up this morning. Hopefully you can hook up to something monstrous. That'll be awesome. That'll be a good video this morning. And I'm taking it down to one of my favorite spots because I'm here, and it makes sense, right? There's lots of seaweed in the water this morning, but stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. We stopped at a spot, gonna wet my boot up, but let's get out here, guys, and see what we can pick up on this chartreuse. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Early morning fishing. Ooh, got chase, guys. Got one chase already. That lure is swimming real sporadic, guys. Don't want to get wet. I think I got a bent wire lead that's giving me a funky swim. And I use wire leads, guys. So let's get this out there. We'll get it back out. Definitely giving me a funky swim. Ooh, I got hit after a jack. Jack hit after it a while ago, guys. Alright, let's get it back out. I got chased by a jack. I'll hook up. Alright, let's get him out again. Get him out again, guys. Gotta watch that lure from it lands on the ground. Get it over here too. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Gotcha. Woo-hoo. Lizard fish. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. This is it. That's what's up, guys. Look at that. Look at this guy. Lizard fish on the lure, guys. I knew one of them was gonna grab it sooner or later. He got hooked real good. That's what's up. Let's get him off of here. These guys are real tasty, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. That's what's up. Killer. Let's get a picture in here real quick. I'm not trying to get myself hooked while I'm out here today. That was a lizard fish, guys. He hit that pretty hard. Let's get it back on. See what we can pick up. They love this chartreuse down here. I don't know why. Down at this place. I guess it's that noise that it makes. Alright, I'm gonna switch off this bigger lure. Lizard fish, guys. change off. Yellow Zuzuri, crystal minnow. That will definitely give me a better swim, guys. Definitely give me a better swim, and definitely will give me a better effect of what I want. Has that chartreuse and that crystal in it, guys. Fish on, guys. Woo-wee. Fish on, guys. Got another one. Lizard fish morning. Some little flippers are out here this morning hunting. Small lizard fish, guys. I'm surprised they ain't hitting no barras yet. I hate that when I lure land and I don't see when it lands. There, guys, so getting chased. It's getting chased. It was just getting chased a while ago. He didn't grab it. Let's go back at it. Nothing on that yellow so far yet, guys. I might switch off and go to my spoon lure real quick. Figured more or less I get the attention of a jack over here or something. I ain't got my water shoes on today, so I can't do what I normally would do when I'm here. So that's definitely out of the question today. I just bumped into a nice jack or barra. That would be nice. Something to give to somebody. I mean, the lizard fish is good and dandy. They're meaty. They're very meaty fish. Nothing on this, guys. Nothing yet. Oh, god damn. I gotta go, guys. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Appreciate you guys. Bless up yourself. Please make sure you watch the ads, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna put this little one back. He's alive still. Let me get him back in there. Yep, he's gone. Yep, he's off. But I don't think this bigger one's gonna survive. Oh shit. Huh? Makes no sense me keeping him. He's still kicking. Let's let him go. He'll revive in a sec. Yep, there he go. Jamaican shore fishing. I put down the chest cam, guys. Back here, I normally would have my water shoes on, but for some reason, trying not to get wet, but I'll get up on this rock. And I got a good key eye view here that I can cast out. I caught a barra here a while back. I don't know if I might get any now. Let's see what's up, guys. See if I'll pick something up. Jamaican shore fishing. I don't know what the hell that was. Fish on, guys. Woo! Barra already. Fish on. Already, guys. Woo-hoo. Got him. Barracuda. Fish on, guys. Let's get him up here. One down. Ella! Yo! Come on, man. So Barra ya. So Barra. Barra. You want him? Yeah, guys, I'm gonna give the old man the barra. I'm at work. Can't be taking no fish. So a small barra ya here. Can't have him. He can't make dinner. He can't make dinner. Huh? You want him? Eh? Yeah, man. They eat good, man. That's a nice eat, man. He alive, you know. Just grab him right behind your head, man. Nice fish eat, man. The escovitch good. Real nice. Yeah, man. Eh? A bigger fish may I look to? Yeah. Eh? Yeah. I catch one big one yes already, 5 pounds. Right yes sir. Right on the same rock stone yes sir. Right, that's a nice same spot when we catch him. Now I'm mid and ground but I don't want to wet up, you know. But can't have him still, like I said. Alright. See if I can walk around without getting wet, guys. You gotta time this wave now. When the wave goes out, I'm wearing waterproof boots, but shit. Jamaica shore fishing, you seen the size of that barra? There's another bigger one here, guys. I seen him. He's about 2 pounds, 3 pounds. All right, let's go this way and see if we can get in the shallows that way. And just